Lesson 46. In Lesson 46, we simply learn a new adverb, and that's numquam, and that means never. So numquam will be used just like the other adverbs you know, like saipe and semper. So let's get some practice using this new adverb. In exercise 1, porto is the verb, and that means I carry or I am carrying. Aquam is the direct object, and numquam, our new adverb, is the adverb. So number 1 says, I never carry water. In number 2, portat is the verb. That means he, she, or it carries. But we don't need the he, she, or it because femina is the subject. Tabulas, which means writing tablets, is the direct object, and numquam is the adverb. So number 2 says, the woman never carries writing tablets. In number 3, spectant is the verb. That means they watch or they are watching. But we don't need the word they because nautai is the subject. Scaphos is the direct object and semper is our adverb. So number 3 says, the sailors always watch the boats. In number 4, numero is the verb. That means I count or I am counting. We have the optional word ego being used with numero. Pecuniam is the direct object, and semper is the adverb. So number 3 says, I always count the money. In number 5, spectas is the verb. That means you watch or you are watching. Lunam, which means moon, is the direct object, and numquam, our new word for this lesson, is the adverb. So number 5 says, you never watch the moon. In number 6, spectatus is the verb. Spectatus means y'all watch or y'all are watching. Stellas is the direct object, and saipe is the adverb. So number 6 says, y'all often watch the stars. In number 7, amat is the verb. That means he, she, or it likes or he, she, or it loves. But we don't need the he, she, or it because puella is the subject. Silwam is the direct object, and the best translation for amat is love. So number 7 will say, the girl loves the forest. In number 8, estis is the verb. That means y'all are, and poetai is the predicate, so y'all are poets. In number 9, we have 2 independent clauses being joined by the word et. In the first one, we have nautai sumus, which means we are sailors. And in the second one, we have scaphos amamus, which means we love boats. So if we put it all together, it says, we are sailors and we love boats. In number 10, sum is the verb. It's negated by the word non, and nauta is the predicate. So I am not a sailor.